How to work at Costco, requirements and where to apply. If you're looking for a stable job, great benefits, and a company that actually treats its employees well, Costco might be your perfect match. With thousands of locations and one of the highest employee satisfaction ratings in retail, working at Costco is more than just a paycheck, it's a career move. But how do you actually get a job there? What are the requirements? Where do you apply? Let's walk you through everything you need to know to land a job at Costco. Costco is one of the few large retailers that's famous for paying employees well and offering benefits that rival corporate jobs. And the best part? You don't need a college degree to get hired. Whether you're looking for a part-time role or a long-term career, Costco has clear paths to move up. So, what kind of jobs does Costco offer? You've probably seen the most visible ones: cashiers, stockers, front-end assistants, food court workers, tire center technicians, membership desk staff. But Costco also hires for pharmacy, optical, bakery and warehouse roles, as well as management, IT, accounting and even distribution center positions. So don't assume it's just checkout lines. Costco offers a wide variety of roles, many with serious long-term potential. What are the basic requirements? Most entry-level positions at Costco have simple requirements. You must be at least 18 years old. You need to have legal authorization to work in the country. Some roles may require physical stamina, especially in the warehouse. Weekend and evening availability is often expected. But here's the real key: work ethic and attitude matter more than experience. Costco trains most employees on the job. If you show up on time, work hard and treat customers well, you'll stand out fast. Does Costco require a resume? Yes, but it doesn't have to be fancy. Your resume should show any previous retail or customer service experience, your availability, reliability and teamwork skills, and any relevant certifications like forklift licenses or food handling if applying to those roles. Even if you've never worked retail before, a well-written resume with a clear work ethic goes a long way. How do you apply to Costco? You apply directly through their official careers website. Just go to the Costco Jobs portal and create an account. You'll choose your preferred warehouse, select the role you want, and upload your resume. Here's a quick tip: if you're serious about getting hired, visit the warehouse in person after applying. Politely let a supervisor know you submitted an application. It shows initiative and interest. What's the hiring process like? Step 1. Online application. Step 2. Phone interview or in-person screening. Step 3. In-person interview with a manager. Step 4. Background check and onboarding. Hiring can take a few days or a few weeks depending on the role and how urgently they're hiring. Costco doesn't rush the process. They want team members who are in it for the long haul. What makes Costco different? 3 huge things. Pay. Starting wages are higher than most retailers, often over $17.20 hour depending on location. Benefits: full-time and many part-time employees get health insurance, 401k, paid time off, dental and vision. Advancement: Costco promotes from within. Warehouse managers often started as stockers or cashiers. If you're looking for job security, respect and opportunity, Costco delivers. Final thoughts: getting hired at Costco isn't about having the perfect resume or flashy credentials. It's about showing you're dependable, willing to learn and ready to be part of a team. Whether you're starting fresh, changing careers, or just looking for a company that values people, Costco could be exactly what you're looking for. Already applied or worked there before? Share your experience or drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to like this video if it helped you on your Costco job journey.